All right, everybody. So Tuesday night, you saw my guys learning how to read the voltage readings and everything else on the gas furnace and the flame sensor. This is how you do it. So check your voltages going into your flame sensor. Pull your flame sensor wire. Put your meter to volts AC. Depending on your manufacturer, stake one here and then touch ground, and you should get anywhere between 80 to 100 volts on that. Now that is not going to shock you or anything else. But that's what you should be getting, 80 to 100 volts, depending on the manufacturer. Goodman, I think, is about 40 volts. Now, to check the flame sensor reading, you have to check it through microamps, depending on your meter. So I'm set for microamps. I've got 2 jumper wires here. I'm going to take one jumper wire and click it onto the flame sensor. Okay? And then I'm going to click the other end onto my red lead. I'm just going to lightly tap it up there so it's hanging out the way. Other wire, I'm going to put it on my black lead, hang it up, and I'm going to stick it into here to get a reading on that. That way everything's done. Turn your thermostat to heat, crank it up. Now it's going to go through the sequence of operation. Your inducer motor's running. Next you'll get your press switch closed to your gas valve. Igniter. There's our igniter. Now this is setting off a flame refraction. That is how your flame sensor works. It's taking 80 volts AC in, and when your flame hits your flame sensor, the flame is actually acting as the ground and it refracts. So you should be getting anywhere between 4 and 6. Now, right now it's showing negative because the black and red are switched. If I were to flip those two around, it'd be a positive 4.6. Now we're reading at 5. So anywhere between 4 and 6 microamps, you're fine. As you can see, your refraction is happening because your flame is hitting your flame sensor, and the flame is actually getting the voltage and is grounding through the flame. So that is how you check that. If you don't have your proper voltage coming in to your flame sensor, you're not going to get your proper readings. Also, if your flame sensor is dirty, you're not going to get your proper readings. So, basically, this is how you check those two things. It's a great service. Check your power coming in. Make sure this is good. Check your flame refraction, and you should be good to go. Feel free to ask questions. Have a good one.